Hi, this video is going to be on the theme of freedom and confinement in the Tempest. So the play is set on an island and everyone on the island is isolated from the rest of society, and this makes the island a symbol of isolation in the play. Now we have Miranda and Prospero, who have been isolated on the island for 12 years, and this is because Prospero was exiled from Milan and Prospero wants to get back to Milan, so he is preoccupied with his own freedom, and as a consequence of this he does not allow the characters such as Ariel and Caliban their own freedom. He doesn't recognise that he's not doing this, but of course he frees Ariel at the end of the play, so he learns more about what freedom means and how to be more empathetic as the play progresses. And of course Ariel is a figure who has been confined not just by Prospero, but prior to that he was also confined in the tree. Now with Caliban, Prospero doesn't offer him the same freedom at the end of the play as he does with Ariel, and considering Caliban is one of the only native characters on the island, this reflects the colonial tone of this exchange. And of course we have Caliban saying that he wants to be free from Prospero, but in doing so he is also offering up to be enslaved to Stefano, so he is unable to escape his own confinement in the play. And with Prospero ending the play asking the audience to set him free, it really emphasises how important the theme of freedom is in the play. Thanks for listening.